back to my channel. It's me, it's Glow. I'm back. Yeah, so welcome. I know that there's the risk that my hair is going to turn yellow, and there's also the risk that because I have henna on my hair might turn green and fall off. But am I still going to do it? Yeah, I'm still going to do it. I bought two hair dyes. I bought this Cream of Nature Ginger Blonde, and I also bought this same company Cream of Nature Honey Blonde. Okay, so these are the color combinations, and I'm hoping for like brown blonde moment. I mean, I'm yet to recover from the last time that I did this myself. I should probably go to a professional, but I am the professional, I guess. So it comes with it comes with this 30 volume developer. My nails are dirty. Okay, yeah, so it comes with this 30 volume developer. It comes with the hair color and after color conditioner. So this comes with a developer also. It comes with the conditioning treatment. I'm thinking these are like different. Oh, this is the argan oil. This one is the one with argan oil. This is the one with mango and shea butter. So that sounds okay. And then it comes with this, which is the hair color. So, oh, it also comes with this, which I guess is bleach, and comes with oil, argan oil treatment. So I'm trying to see how I'm going to mix these two colors, because I need to kind of bleach my hair, which, like, I've been natural for long enough to know that that's probably a bad idea, but I'm so tired of I'm tired of how my hair looks, and if this backfires, then I'm just going to go back to 2018 short hair me. I'm going to chop my hair off, but let's hope that doesn't happen. Well, yeah. So I tried to like brush out my hair. It was too painful, so I stopped. I have this because I'm not supposed to. You either use glass or plastic. So the instructions said to mix the developer with the color. Yeah, I don't know how to open this. And then I need to mix this with this, then add the color, and then mix them together because I want like a blend of both. Add this. That's the color. It smells horrible. Ugh, that's ugh. 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 And then I'm just going to mix the two together with my plastic spoon, applying this in sections. So I'm going to start from like the mid shaft to my ends, then let that process, then do like the roots last, because the roots, because of the heat from your scalp, your roots develop faster. So yeah, I need to do it one after the other. I'm going to start with this section. Ooh, I'm so scared. All I was doing here is just applying the dye from the mid shaft of my strands to the ends, being careful to saturate every strand while still avoiding the roots, because you don't want to have, you know, yellow roots. No one wants yellow roots, surely. So just do that how you typically apply deep conditioner, section by section, and you'll be good to go. This is where I'm at. I've applied it onto like the hair shaft, avoiding the roots. This is how it looks. You can see this is starting to change color. So I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and then do my roots, and then we see how it goes from there. Okay, so it's been maybe 8-9 minutes, but now I'm getting scared because it's so light in the back and I don't want to like overstay with it, so I'm going to just do my roots. So I set it from the back to the front, so this time I'm going to do front to back. I don't know if that's logical, but that's what I'm gonna do. So let me start with this. So now for this part, I'm just applying the rest of the dye to my hair and avoiding the scalp because I don't see how chemicals in the scalp are friends, so don't do that. So just apply to the roots and any part that you could have missed, and I wanted a consistent color, so I was applying it till the point where my hair starts. Can I just do this off camera so that I can do it super quick, because I feel like my hair is processing so fast, faster than I'm doing it, so let me just do that. Okay, so I know it's a big jump from me showing you how I was doing my roots to me showing you my hair washed, but I was recording and then as I'm editing I realized that I was only shooting my forehead, which really doesn't make sense. So all I did was put the dye on my roots and then stay with it for 20 minutes and then wash it out, use the 2 conditioners that were provided in the boxes, and then now we're here. Okay, continue watching. It was meant to be ginger blonde and honey blonde, and it's orange. So the lies, man. So sad. Anyway, you know I had henna in my hair for a while, so maybe that's also a factor. But anyway, I'm going to remain positive. I'm going to style my hair, and then after that I can decide whether I like it or not. Okay, yeah, so let me do that. And this is the moment of truth. I am going to find out, we are going to find out if my DIY things worked, or if, you know, I'm going to need to boost my self-confidence. I'm going to need to just really love me for myself. Yeah, so I'm going to be using the argan oil treatment, which came with the dyes, and I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to open this. I think you pop it, and this is my hair. Ouch, ouch. Surprise, surprise. After I removed the bantu knots, all I did was like try to stretch my hair at the roots. I hope it worked, but this is what we're working with. I'm going to take a bit of the argan oil, and I'm not trying to separate too much, just where the hair naturally separates, because I still want to have curls but I want to have volume. Okay, so believe it or not, I know I'm speaking, but I don't really have anything of value to add here, but watching me in silence feels like watching someone eat, which is such an awkward thing to do. I should not have said that. Okay, keep watching. Thank you. Okay, so this is the final result. I need a mirror first of all. Because this is what I'm using, and it's a... Anyway, this is the final result. I did a side part only because I feel after I do bantu knots, my hair is a lot more shrunken, and so if I do a middle part, it kind of frames my face in a weird way. So yeah, but I'm in love with it. I love it. Actually, when I washed the hair, when I rinsed out the conditioner, I was a bit like, maybe not, because my hair was looking a lot orange and my roots were a lot more blonde looking than they are now. But now I feel like it's come out to this ginger situation, and I can't say I hate it. Really, you know my energy has changed. I have shifted from dusty brown to fiery ginger. I mean, praise the Lord, you know. Anyway, this is the final result. This is how it looks at the back. And I feel so good because I've wanted to do this for a while, but I was so scared that had damaged my hair, or I was scared that I'd do it wrongly, and then I'm still traumatized by that time that I had orange hair, stroke yellow, like patches of yellow, patches of orange, and it wasn't a pretty good sight. So yeah, I'm really glad that I went ahead and did it. I'm happy that I tried something new. So if you're sitting at home or in the office or in the toilet and you're thinking, gosh, Glow is right, I need to do something different in my hair, imagine just do it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Okay, maybe your hair might fall out, but maybe you're meant to be a bald baddie and your hair holding on to those strands, as in live your purpose, you know, live out your wildest dreams. Because yeah, and chances are very high that you're gonna love it. Or if you don't want to do it at home, you don't want to risk it, you can just do the combo I used. I think it was the ginger blonde and the honey blonde, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can just take that to your hairdresser and say, do the thing, I want to look bomb. So yeah, you don't have to risk it. I like doing different things. Okay, that's the okay, I'm just stretching my point too much. Anyway, yeah, so if you've been thinking of doing something different with your hair, this is your sign. I have been sent. Do it. Okay, just do it. Anyway, I've gotten to the point where I keep on talking and not really saying anything, so I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you for getting to this point. I'm really glad you know, you resonate with my content. And yeah, so I can't wait to be styling this hair. So stay tuned, because I'm going to be doing, I'm so happy, I'm so excited that I can't wait to do like different styles every day. So do you really want to miss out? Surely, like, you know, no. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Yeah, like very many people watch and they don't subscribe, which is sad, but please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I noticed I'm looking to the side a lot just because I'm just anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye.